Okay, people, I'm back. I just mounted the decoder onto the chassis, and I had connected all the leads. I had taped up I had taken off the yellow tape that was on there and put on regular clear Scotch tape. Same here. And again, I connected all the leads to the track where they're supposed to go, front and rear. Speakers already installed and connected. So we're going to do a test run to see if it works. I'm going to go here. It's already set to number 3. We press go. And voila. We actually have power. Now what I like about this decoder, you can actually change the engine sound. I believe there's only 2 or 3 prime mover sounds programmed into this decoder. And right now, it basically sounds like an Alco engine. So let's test the lights out. By hitting the horn. Forward ditch lights. So far, so good. More on this tomorrow. I'll install the body and connect the front and rear lights, and we'll take it for a little test run. So everybody keep posted, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.